I have every single upgrade that's available from HPI for the Venture18, so today we're going to give this Toyota Hilux a bit of a makeover. If you want to take your Venture18 to the next level by improving its looks, performance, and durability, these bolt-on upgrades are definitely worth checking out. The first upgrade we're going to throw on is a set of new wheels. HPI offers these 3-piece CS8 steel beadlocks in both silver and black. They include a set of metal wheel hubs, 16-gram brass wheel weights, and all of the necessary hardware. They not only look cool, but they'll also help lower your center of gravity, giving the truck better traction and stability. When paired with these stock Rockthorn tires, their total weight is 37 grams each. If you're just looking to add weight to the stock wheels, HPI also offers a set of 24-gram brass wheel weights to replace these stock plastic rings. To lower the center of gravity even more, HPI has a couple of 7mm brass hex hub options. You can purchase 1-gram hexes that look similar to the stock version, or 11-gram hexes that have additional brass around the outside to somewhat resemble brake rotors. Next, we're going to throw on a set of orange and gray anodized aluminum shocks from HPI. These are oil-filled and actually come with some softer springs, but they are compatible with the stock springs if you want to maintain a stiffer feel. They come with all of the mounting hardware and what look to be brass pivot balls as well. While I'm replacing these stock shocks, I'm also going to throw on some aluminum shock towers for more adjustability. These have a few more mounting holes, allowing you to play around with different shock positions. Moving on to the axles, HPI has these awesome looking full aluminum housings for both the front and rear of the Venture18. The housings themselves are gunmetal gray, but they include an orange anodized aluminum diff cover along with some screws to mount it. These aluminum diff covers are available separately if you want to add some flair to the stock axles without going all in. You can also choose to add some additional weight with these brass diff covers that are 9 grams heavier than these stock plastic covers. The Venture18 comes stock with bushings throughout, so HPI now offers a full ball bearing kit to improve drivetrain efficiency. When it comes to gearing, HPI gives you a couple of overdrive options for the front axles. There's a straight cut sintered steel option or a machined helical set that's going to be smoother and stronger. If you want to stick with the stock gear ratio, they also offer both a machined straight cut and helical gear set. On all 4 corners of the truck, you can add some flair with orange anodized aluminum front steering spindles and rear hubs. These are nice because they come with bearings and are compatible with the brass steering block weight sets. These brass weights can be mounted directly to the aluminum steering spindles and hubs to add more weight to the front or rear axle if you'd like. From what I can tell though, they don't seem to work with these steel wheels, so you'll have to stick with these stock plastic wheels if you want to run these. For even more tunability, HPI offers aluminum C-hubs that allow you to adjust your caster angle anywhere from 0 to 25 degrees. There's an aluminum servo mount and steering link kit that's available for the front axle to get rid of the little flex that these stock plastic parts have. To connect these axles to the truck, HPI has some heavy-duty steel center drive shafts that should be much more durable than these stock plastic set. Before we throw these completed axles under the truck, we're going to work on the chassis and transmission a bit. HPI offers a machined aluminum center skid plate that looks really nice and is 11 grams heavier than stock. To add color and eliminate some flex, HPI has this orange anodized mount for the shifting servo near the transmission. There's an aluminum transmission case available as well that you can directly switch these stock gears over to. To connect the axles back to the truck and really complete the look, we're throwing in a high clearance aluminum suspension link kit. HPI does offer a portal axle conversion kit for the Venture18 to increase ground clearance. This kit also has its own line of upgrades such as aluminum portal housings and C-hubs. Let's get this truck outside to see how it performs. Out of the box, the Venture18 is a very capable truck. Now, do I think it's necessary to install every single upgrade that's available? No, but it does look pretty cool. The one downside to all of this aluminum is that it doesn't slide over obstacles as easy as the plastic parts can. I think that's a small price to pay though, considering the other performance, durability, and appearance benefits. This truck performed quite well with all the upgrades. It feels noticeably heavier with all of the aluminum and brass parts installed, so I'll probably end up switching to these stock springs that are a bit stiffer to help support all of the added weight. HPI really went all out and did an excellent job with this lineup of upgrades for the Venture18. It allows you to customize this platform however you want to fit your driving style. Let me know what upgrades you have your eye on. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.